O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and dear ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us. Fill with
Bless us.
on all See, during the time of prayer, please be quiet. Okay? And let's start.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please be quiet. Okay, so we are discussing the figures. We are discussing three-dimensional figures, and we already completed cube, cuboid, and cylinder. And today we are going to have the first one, that is cone. The first one, that is cone. Okay. Aradi, an object having the shape of a cone. Cone shape object.
Ice cream.
Ice cream cone.
Ice cream.
Okay, very good. Ice cream cone is an example. Please be quiet. If I am, give me the answer.
Ma'am, Pratana has.
Please be quiet. If all are speaking, we can't understand anything. So please be quiet. So Prarthana having birthday gap. Very good, very good. Okay. Now all of you please listen here. Let us see. Show me the birthday gap, Prarthana. Very good.
Ma'am, Malaga has a birthday.
Okay, I will call. Okay. Now all of you please listen here. So she's having the birthday cap. Birthday cap is an example for cone shape object. Okay. Now let us see how many edges are there, how many faces are there, how many vertices are there. Okay. Now let us see first one, the vertices, simple one. Okay. Vertices or vertex. Is there any vertex for cone shape object? Is there any vertex? Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay. Show me one. Show me the vertex. Show me the vertex. Others. Yes. This is the vertex. Okay. This is the vertex. Now let us see the next one. That is the face.
face.
Okay. Now here you can see the circular face. Circular face. Okay. And here also you can see the curved face.
Curved face.
Here one circular face. Here one curved face. So altogether there are two faces. There are two faces. Here one circular face, here one curved face. Altogether there are two faces. Okay, very good. Now, next we have edges. Edges. Now, this is a circular edge. This is a circular edge. So, only one edge. Only one circular edge. Got it? Once again, having only one vertex. Show me the vertex. Having only one vertex. This is the vertex. Okay. And there are two faces. Which are the faces? Here is a circular face and here is
here also circular.
So there are two faces. One is a circular face, one is a curved face. Two faces. Now one circular edge. Circular edge. Edge means it is the meeting of two faces. So here is a circular face, here is a curved face. These two faces are here. So this is a circular edge. Okay. Now let us see Malavika's birthday cap. Show me Malavika. Where is your birthday cap? Malavika, where are you? Just raise your hand. Okay, I can see Edel Maria, show me yours. I will come to Malavika after. Okay, show me Edel Maria, show me your birthday cap. Show me the vertex. Show me the vertex. Where is the vertex? This is the vertex. Very good. This is the vertex. Show me the two faces. Show me the two faces. This is a circular face. Okay, this is a circular. Show me the circular face. Here we have the circular face and here we have the curved face. Okay, so how many faces are there? Unmute and tell me how many faces are there? Two faces are there. Very good. And we have a circular edge. Show me the circular edge. Little Maria, show me the circular edge. Ah, that is a circular edge. So having only one vertex, one circular edge, two faces. Okay, very good. Now we can go to another one. Next one. Malavika, you have? I think she's having network issues. Okay, so is it clear? Corn is clear. Now I will share the screen. I will. Please listen here. Okay, listen here. And we have. No need to write now. Listen here. No need to write now. Listen here. So we have the fourth 3D figure that is
Good afternoon.
CONE, corn. And now example as birthday cap or ice cream cone. Funnel also example. So if we do, you can see. No need. Now listen here. Listen here. It's a figure of a cone. Now let us see its a vertex. Let us see its a vertex. So here we can see this portion we call it as a vertex, having only one vertex. Okay, having only one vertex. Now edge. Here we can see one circular edge. This we call it as circular edge. This is CIEDGE, edge, only one edge. Okay, and next we have face. Next we have face. Here we can see a circular face here and a curved face here. So there are two faces. There are two faces. FACE, two faces. So having only one vertex, one edge, two faces. Got it? One vertex, one circular edge, two faces. Now next we have the 3D shape. That is the last one. That is a sphere. That is a sphere. Okay, example we can say ball. Ball is an example. Ball is an example. Let me ask you, can you see any vertex here? Can you see any vertex?
No.
There is
No.
there is
No.
vertex. There is no vertex. Enough. Please be quiet. So see, no vertex. And also we can see there is no edges also. No edges. No vertex, no edges. Okay, Sridhar is showing the board.
Ma'am, not corners. Ma'am, Pratna have.
Okay, please be quiet. Okay, okay. I've already shown. No, that's why. Sridhar, show me your ball. Vertex and corner same. Okay, vertex and corner. Show me the ball, Sridhar. Show me the ball, Sridhar. Okay. Is there any vertex for this 3D?
No.
No. Okay. Is there any?
Ma'am, I have.
Is there any edge? No. Okay. And this we have only one curved face. Only one curved face. Okay. So for a sphere, there is no edge, no vertex, and have only one curved face. And have only one curved face. She is showing one board. Okay. Okay. Is there any vertex, Prarthana?
No.
Is there any edge?
Ma'am, Rihan.
Is there any? Oh, and sorry, one edge is there. Is there any no edge? One face is one.
Ma'am, Dhruva. Sir.
Rehan, where are you, Rehan? Are many of you showing the board? Very good. Very good, very good. Okay, Sandria, good. Okay. Just showing. Please, if you are making noise, I cannot complete it. Please be quiet. I cannot understand also. You can also understand. Can't also understand. So, Sandria, tell me, is there any edge? Is there any edge for Sia? Is there any edge for Sia? Sandria, unmute and tell me, is there any edge?
No.
No. Is there any vertex? Is there any vertex as like a cone and all, cube, cuboid and all? Is there any vertex? No. But having only one face. Okay? One curved face. Having only one face. That is curved. Okay? Now, listen here. So, all of you having the board with you. Very good. Very good. That means You understood, no?
Maria.
One face, having only one face and no vertex and no edge. Now let me share the screen. Listen here. So the fifth one, that is sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Now if you're drawing the sphere, we can see,
Ma'am.
yes my dear,
Ma'am.
yes please tell me my dear, example, say both.
No corners.
Circle has no corner. Very good. Circle is a two-dimensional figure. Circle has no corner, no sides. Very good. So here also we can see one curved face. Only one curved face. Okay. No edges or zero vertex and zero edge. So is it clear? Cone and sphere. Is it clear? Cone and sphere. Now let us complete the note. Please take notebook, all of you. Please take notebook. Please take notebook, all of you. Let us complete the table.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me share this once again. So you can write, you can complete the table. And we have the fourth figure. You can write fourth figure, that is cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Please write the fourth row. You can write cone. C-O-N, cone. Yes, tell me, my dear.
We can also write example birthday cap or ice cream cone.
Yes, you can write. C-O-N-E, cone. Aisha, are you writing? Where's the notebook?
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
I draw cone birthday cap that figure.
You have no space. You can go to the next page.
Ma'am, that's no.
What happened?
Box
Instead of cone, you draw the sphere.
Yes, the figure.
Sarah, others, please be quiet. Okay, Sarah, tell me.
The figure.
Uh,
That is I can not write it.
that means for drawing the figure, you have no space there.
No, ma'am. I can. That is no write it.
You didn't write in the, you didn't draw the table. Show me the notebook. Okay. You have no place. That's only.
No.
Cylinder, where is your cylinder? You didn't do the cylinder.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, where is the cylinder? Show me once again. Cube, cuboid, I saw. That's why I'm asking. Cylinder, show me. I didn't see the picture, my dear. Picture. Okay, okay. That. Okay. Now you can take the next page for drawing this cone and sphere. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now fourth one, cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Now we can draw the shape. Cone. And you can write the example also, birthday cap. B-I-R-T-H. Birthday cap. D-A-Y-C.
I'm right.
Yes, yes. Please write. Please complete the table. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y.
I'm right.
Yes, my dear. Open the notebook and complete it. Corn, example, birthday cap. And near to that column, you can see the faces. We can see the faces.
Ma'am, but the spelling.
Then you can complete the columns. That means near to this column, you can see the face column, faces. How many faces are there? We can see here a circular face and a curved face. So total, how many faces are there? How many faces are there? Here the circular face. Here you can see the curved face. So face column, you can write the number 2. There are 2 faces. There are 2 faces. Now in the column of edges, you can see here one circular edge. So how many edges? Only one. One
Two.
edge.
Right. 2, 1.
Right, right.
21.
So there are two faces and one circular edge. Also, you can see the vertex here. Only one vertex.
Ma'am, please say the birthday cap spelling.
BIR BIR TH
DAY.
DAY BIRTHDAY birthday cap CAP birthday cap.
Birthday cap.
And birthday cap, it's an example for cone shape and this having two faces, one edge, one vertex.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me, my dear. Those who have
Ma'am.
completed, we can go to the next column. That is the fifth one that we explain here. That is sphere. 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 And you can draw the picture also. Mohammed Rishan, show me the notebook.
Ma'am.
Candle. Okay, sure.
Ma'am, draw sphere.
Yes, you can draw.
Here. Face.
Sphere example, you can write ball or you can write globe. Here you can write ball, BALL ball.
Ma'am, no face, please.
Please go to the next page if you don't have. So for a sphere, only one curved face. So in the column face, you can write the number 1. You can write the number 1. Only one curved face.
Ma'am. Ma'am, wait for me.
Yes, right.
Ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am.
Yes, my dear. I can hear.
Ma'am, finish that. Ma'am, just going on. Finish.
Those who have completed, it's very good. Please wait others. Okay, please be quiet. And for a sphere, there is no edge, no vertex. So there we can write the number 0.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, my dear.
please make it down the screen.
Okay. I will show you the birthday cap. Just 1 minute, my dear.
Ma'am.
Yes, I will show you. Just 1 minute. Let me take.
Ma'am, 20, right? 20.
1 0 in the column of edge, another 0 in the column of vertex. Okay.
Ma'am. 1, 1, right? 1, 1. 2, 1. Ma'am.
2 is in the column of face, cone shape. Cone having 2 faces. And the first one edge. Second one vertex. Okay.
Later I just number.
Okay, very good. Those who have completed, very good. And I will send the notes after the class. You please stick with that. And you can close it now. Those who have completed can close the notebook and take the textbook. Last day we didn't get the time to complete it. So please take the textbook.
Ma'am, which page?
That I will tell. Just wait. Let others also complete it. Then we can move. So by this we completed the first chapter and today we will do the exercise in the textbook and tomorrow you have to be ready with your workbook. Okay. And before please go through the portions which we learned. So it will be easy for do the exercise workbook.
Ma'am, workbook part 2.
That only not now, that tomorrow only, my dear. Tomorrow only. Want to part two?
Part 2.
We are doing part 1. No, ma Prarthana. So please take part 1 only tomorrow. Not now. Now you take the textbook part 1.
Ma'am, textbook part 2. Ma'am, part 2.
Be quiet. Please be quiet. I will tell one second. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. You all have completed the notes.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Is there anyone to complete?
No.
All
No.
please. Okay, please be quiet first of all. Now, those who have completed, close your notebook. Okay, close your notebook. Now, please take your textbook part 1. Please take your textbook part 1. Is it okay? Is it okay? Textbook part 1.
Okay.
Okay. Now, please take page number 7. The
Take
see on the screen also. Let me share the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Please mute your device. Same page is on the screen also. Be quiet. Please mute your device. I will call out the name and they will give me the answers. If all are talking, we can't understand anything. So please be quiet and listen to me. Junaita Joshi, are you ready with the textbook, page number 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the question. I will help you to read. Okay.
Ma'am, I already did it.
If you already done, it's okay. Please be quiet. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now please be quiet. Okay. Now Junaita, please read. OBSERVE. What is that? OBSERVE. Observe. Means look at carefully. Okay. Observe.
Observe the following pictures.
Very good. Observe the following pictures. Very good. Now you know how to read it. Observe the following pictures. Now, TICK. What is that?
The type
Tick.
lines
Yes.
used to from each object.
Very good. Very good. See, if you show the full stop, you have to stop there. Tick the type of lines used to form each object. Okay. Tick the type of lines used to form each object. One is done for you. So all of you please listen here. Observe the following pictures. You can see 4 objects picture here. And first one is a chocolate bar. And second one is a pizza. And third one is a sandwich. And fourth one is a cake. Now, here it is asked. You can see 2 type of lines here. Straight lines, curved lines. Here straight lines, here curved lines. And you have to put a tick mark for what? The lines used to form each object. Now, let us see the first one. First one is a chocolate bar. Chocolate bar. Now, Mohammad Rishan, only unmute and tell me. Mohammad Rishan, please unmute. And listen here. Look at the first object. What is the object? It is a chocolate bar. No? What is the shape? What is the shape?
It's rectangle.
It's a rectangle shape. So, if we use straight lines or curved lines to draw a rectangle,
Straight line.
very good, straight line. So, it is already put tick mark here. So, no need to do again anything. Okay. Now, we can move to the next one. Okay, good. Now, we can move to the next picture. That is okay. Adinath, please, Sunil, please unmute. Adinath, please unmute. And look at the next object. You can see a pizza. Okay, round pizza. What is the shape?
Circle.
Circle. Which lines we use to form that base? Is it a straight line?
Curved line.
Curved line. Very good. So you can put a tick mark for curved lines. So all of you please put tick mark for curved lines.
Ma'am, I already done.
If you already done, very good, very good. Now, Maithili, please unmute and listen here. Others, please be quiet. Maithili, unmute. Maithili, please unmute and listen here. What about the third? What about the third picture?
Sandwich.
Sandwich. Shape. What is the shape here? What is the base?
Triangle.
Which lines? Which type of lines we use to form the object? Is it straight lines or curved lines?
Straight line.
Straight line. So put tick mark.
Straight line.
Okay, Maithili, very good. Straight lines. Now we can move to the last one. Ayush, please unmute. What is the object here? Cake. What about the lines which is used to form the object? Base of the object.
Curved.
Straight lines or curved? Curved lines. Okay. Circle. So it is curved lines. So please put a tick mark for curved lines. So is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. If you have completed, please take page number 12. 1 to 12. The last page of that chapter. Okay, the same page you can see on the screen also. Page number 12. 1 to 12. Edelan, please unmute and read the question, my dear. Edelan, read the question. It's very simple. N-A-M-E.
Name the
Ah,
sides of the following.
Very good. Others, please be quiet. Name the sides of the following. We have to write the names. Okay, we have to write the names, and we have the first question. A. What is this question? Read it. S-Q-U-A-R-E.
Square.
What is the name of the square? What is the name of the square?
Square.
Square. What is the name of the square?
P-Q-R-S.
What in between? Please be quiet. Edelan, once again, please unmute. Okay. What is the name of the square here? Square.
P-Q-R-S.
No, I didn't answer. Edelan, listen here. Tell me the name of the square. I know you know the sides and all. I asked what is the name of the square. It's written here. Square.
P-Q.
Together you see, together square PQRS. Okay? QRS. Again in between some are talking. Square PQRS. Okay, the name of the square is square PQRS. Now, Johan Judy, please tell me the sides of the square. How many sides are there for a square? How many sides are there? How many?
4 sides.
There are 4 sides. Very good. Now, tell me the sides of the square one by one. We can start from here.
PQ.
Very good. PQ, comma,
PR. QR.
QR. Okay. Then
RS.
RS and fourth
SP.
one. SP. SP. Very good. There are 4 sides. PQ, QR, RS and SP. All of you, please write the answer. Please write the answer. Aisha, please turn on your video. Aisha. All of you, please write the answer. PQ, QR, RS and SP. Aisha, you have completed the answer of first one. Unmute, I can't hear you. PQ, QR, RS, and SP. Aisha, please unmute and look at the second one, B. What is that? Read.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read it. TRIANGLE. What is that?
TRIANGLE.
Pronounce it.
Triangle.
What's the name of the triangle?
XYZ.
Very good. Triangle XYZ. Now you have to tell me how many sides are there for a triangle?
3 sides.
Very good. Tell me the name of the sides. Which are the 3 sides?
X,
Very good. XY, not X. X,
Y, Z.
YZ. Very good. And
Z.
only Z. How can we say only one letter?
Y. X, Y, Z.
Listen here. XY, YZ, and XY, YZ, and the third one. What's the name?
X.
Is that X? Is that X or X is that? Any way you can say. Is that X or X is that? Okay, Aisha. Okay, good. Now, Austin, please unmute and tell me the third one. What is the name? What is it given?
Rectangle.
What is the name of the rectangle? Rectangle. What is the name? It's given there, no? Rectangle. Which are the letters given? Corners of the rectangle. Rectangle.
F,
Uh,
F, G,
I asked what is the rectangle's name. I didn't ask the sides. That is later. Now you tell me rectangle's name. E, F, G, H. The rectangle's name is E, F, G, H. Okay. The rectangle's name is E, F, G, H. How many sides are there? How many sides are there?
4 sides, sir.
There are 4 sides. Now tell me the name of the sides.
E, F,
Very good. E, F, comma. Next one.
G,
E, F. Next one.
F, G.
Very good. F, G. Third one.
F, G, G, H,
Very good. G, H. And the fourth one.
H, E.
H, E. Good boy. So these are the 4 sides. E, F, F, G, G, H, and H, E. Starting from first and go in an anti-clockwise direction, then you will get it. E, F, F, G, G, H, and H, E.
F,
Please complete it. E, F, F, G,
ma'am.
G, H, and H, E.
H, complete, ma'am.
Okay. So the same I will post in the group also. You don't worry. And tomorrow we have to keep it with you, the workbook. Okay. We will start the workbook tomorrow. So please be ready with your.
Ma'am, part 1 or part 2?
Yeah, we are doing part 1. No, then what is the confusion in that part 1 itself? Okay. Part 1. So thank you for joining. Bye bye. See you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.